Hello everyone, welcome to another video where I show you how to make money online. What I'm talking about today is the 3 steps you can do right now to make money online, even if you're a beginner. But first, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. What I'm here to do is teach you the strategies and methods you need to make money online without fluff and garbage. Now, before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the videos I release. While you're here, do me a quick favor and hit the like button as well. Now, there's 3 steps to make money online, and that can be up to $10,000 a month. What I'm going to do is show you step by step these ideas and break them down. In all reality, you can make it simple. It doesn't need to be complicated. So the 3 steps to $10,000 online, applicable to beginners, here we go. Step 1, identify traffic sources. Traffic sources just means where you can get your customers from. You want to identify these sources as soon as you can. Now, we do know a few right off the top. YouTube, Facebook, Google, and TikTok are some top examples. No matter what you do in your business, it always starts with traffic. It can be paid, free. Remember, you don't need to constantly run ads. Plenty of successful businesses operate with mostly free traffic. If you want to go from 0 to 100 real fast, then you'll need to get some paid traffic, like Facebook ads or Google ads, where you can put in your content and brand in front of more people faster. If you're looking for something more comfortable with slower growth, then free traffic is the way to go. These free methods take longer to kick in, but have massive growth potential over the long run. This can be something as simple as blogging, posting content on Instagram, or creating videos for YouTube or TikTok. When thinking about traffic, we have to come to terms with this trade-off and ask ourselves, what do I value more, time or money? If you value time more than money, paid ads is likely the solution. If you value money more than time, free organic methods are going to get you there for you. So that's step number 1. Identify traffic sources, get familiar with them, and pick the 1 or 2 sources you want to focus on. Step number 2 is the funnel. Now, what is a funnel? A lot of times when you think about making money on the internet, the first thought is building a really complex website and uploading high quality images and videos, hiring web designers and programmers, and building out a huge content strategy. But now simplicity wins. Funnels are one of the 2 pages or 1 or 2 pages that are designed to be ultra simple. This means there isn't a whole lot to do. Essentially, it's designed to funnel people to buy something. I like to compare this to a theme park ride like Splash Mountain at Disneyland. On the final drop, right before you get drenched, there's a camera that flashes brightly and captures you and your family screaming to death. If you haven't been on Splash Mountain before, spoiler alert, it ends with a drop. Now, after the ride, you're funneled through the gift shop where you can see the photo that Disney took of you. Now, you aren't required to buy, but in that moment, with the adrenaline still pumping, it's hard to resist. We won't get into all the psychology of this, but it works. And think about it, after the ride, you can't just leave and go to another ride. You're required to pass through the picture hut first. This is the quintessential example of how a successful sales funnel works. An online sales funnel is broken down into 2 pages. First, you have an opt-in page, and then you have a sales page. The opt-in page is designed to ask someone for their email address. This is crucial. If you want to make $10,000 per month online, you will need to build an email list. It's one of the most simple ways to create predictable online income. So you're first going to build an opt-in page that asks for an email address. Second, when someone opts in, we're going to send them to a sales page. Now, you don't need to build this page, which I'll talk about here in a moment. If someone goes to this page and purchases, you'll get a commission and get paid. Even if they don't, though, you're building an email list. If this list is where the real money is made. So we've covered 2 things. First, we need a traffic source. We're going to push the traffic to our funnel, which is the second thing. In all reality, we need to build the opt-in page. The sales page goes from step number 1 to then step number 3, which is the offer. An offer is something that you're going to promote or sell. Now, if you're a beginner, go with an affiliate offer. Don't try to create your own thing and sell it. Then all you have to do is the customer service in that case, where you have to do order processing and shipping, etc. It's so much simpler to promote someone else's product or service. You can focus on sending traffic to your opt-in page that builds your email list, and then you dump people off to on the sales page, which is built by the person who created the offer. These offers are available all over the place. For example, ClickBank, JVZoo, or even Amazon. This is, in a nutshell, affiliate marketing. And these are the 3 steps which can give you up to $10,000 per month. Now, one goal we're going to focus on is getting your email list to 10,000 subscribers. What we aim for in digital marketing is $1 per subscriber per month. It doesn't mean that we always are going to hit this revenue volume, but this is what we're looking to achieve. Now, how can we simplify this process and make it even more profitable? Truth be told, there's one major flaw with affiliate marketing. When you build your email list and send someone to the sales page, you only get one single commission. The person buys, you get a commission, and the customer goes on their way. Now, you can remarket via email, but during the initial purchase session, you will most likely miss out on the additional revenue because you were an affiliate of only one product. So what's the solution? I like to call this ecosystem marketing. And right now, this video, below it will be a link to a course called Partner with Anthony. What happens in this course is that Anthony Morrison builds the opt-in page and sales funnels so that all you have to do is send traffic. He's created multiple different products and courses that you can receive commission for promoting. And while this is happening, your email list is growing so that you can have that $10,000 a month income that we've been talking about. Now, this course has been a phenomenal success. It's taught me how to build a business online and given me the tools I need to succeed. I've made a link for this course down below. Go and check it out and learn for yourself how to build a successful, thriving online business. Before you go, I just want to say thank you for watching today's video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't really miss out on my next video. And while you're there, hit the like button and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.